if he's mad, if he's having mental issues?
Doc just wanted to make sure. I am sure there's nothing to worry about.
Listen here, nurse. My father is not a madman, and I resent even that suggestion. Is this why he doesn't have his phone?
Listen, I do understand your frustration, but Doc said in order for him to get the proper rest, he shouldn't have his phone.
And what about his loved ones who want to get in touch with him?
Because of his condition.
What condition? Why are you all treating my father like he's a mental patient? He needs to have his phone.
Okay, just let me call Doc and I'll sort this out.
Nurse, you don't need Dr. Grant's permission to get my father's phone. Please go get that phone and don't let me have to ask you that again.
That sound good, but we still want to jam.
Alright, babe. We're gonna dry you one day.
No! Jam now.
Hello, sir. I'm a site work. I'm in a mood.
Okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna put it in the mood.
Mood for drying, babe. Enough for that. You can't, babe. Look like the taxi come with the things them. We just give the hand. One more drink.
Just, improvise.
Who's that? Who's that?
It's me, Daddy.
Mouse?
Yes, Daddy, it's me. How are you feeling?
I was not too. I just feel weak. I was having some headache, but it's gone now.
Daddy, please don't ever scare me like that again.
I'm sorry, Mouse. I just have been
Working too hard? You need to get some rest. I'm going to stay 1 month and take care of you.
Hear you. Well, take care of me. I'll be alright, Mouse.
Dad, you had a heart attack.
Minor, Mouse.
Minor or not, the nurse said it's stress related.
Nurse know what she has say.
Hi, Doc. The daughter is here.
Is he awake?
Yes?
Did you give him another dose of the hallucinogen?
I didn't get a chance. She came in and I was trying to explain to her what happened.
I gave you strict instructions to administer that drug while he's asleep.
I was about to.
Now listen. Just wait until the daughter leaves, you give him the drug.
Doc, he doesn't want any more medication. And he's demanding that he should be discharged now. Even his daughter is telling me I should give his phone to him.
Okay. Give me a minute. I will call you and tell you when to take his phone to him.
Okay, Doc. And I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry, Carolyn. Just do as you are instructed. Okay?
Okay, Doc.
That's why you really son the man come left with some of them. Babes, come cut your son. The man left his thing them right your son. Me some like work with the people, you know, cause babes like this them going on with, you know.
You sure everything did it?
How much of the junk you order? Cause this took like 6.
But think I doesn't.
Yeah, right round them here I go. Right round them here.
Be a weird